Welcome to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Today's video is an exciting dive into the world of cyberpunk fashion, a unique blend of futuristic aesthetics, dystopian vibes, and cutting edge style. Cyberpunk fashion draws inspiration from science fiction and technological advancements, creating a bold and edgy look that's perfect for those who want to stand out from the crowd. We are going to explore the essential elements of cyberpunk outfits and show you how to put together some stunning looks that are both stylish and statement making. Cyberpunk fashion is all about rebellion, individuality, and futuristic flair. It often features a mix of high tech materials, dark and moody colors, and a variety of textures and layers. Here are some key elements that define cyberpunk outfits. High tech materials, think synthetic fibers, leather, PVC, and metallics. These materials give a futuristic and industrial feel to the outfit. Dark and bold colors. Black is the staple in the cyberpunk fashion, often paired with bold neon accents like electric blue, hot pink, and acid green. Layering different textures and materials adds depth and complexity to the look. Combining leather, mesh, and metallic creates a visually striking ensembles. Utility and functions. A cyberpunk function often incorporates functional elements like harnesses, belts, and pockets, adding a utilitarian edge to the outfit. Statement accessories. Accessories play a crucial role in cyberpunk style. Think futuristic eyewear, chunky boots, tech-inspired jewelry, and neon accents. The foundation, tops, and bottoms start with a solid base for your cyberpunk outfit. Here are some ideas that are graphic tees. You can use leather jackets and mesh sheer tops. Adding a layer of mesh or sheer fabric brings an element of edginess and texture to your outfit. The bottoms can be skinny jeans or leggings, high-waisted shorts, or utility pants. Layering and outwear. Layering is the key to achieve a complex and intriguing cyberpunk look. Consider these options for outerwear and layering pieces: trench coats, hoodies, and vests, harnesses, and straps. In footwear is crucial in completing the cyberpunk look. Here are some footwear options that fit the style. It can be combat boots, platform boots, sneakers. And accessories can make or break up cyberpunk outfit. Here are some must-have accessories to complete your look. That is futuristic eyewear, along with tech-inspired jewelry, along with neon accents, holographic and metallic bags. Styling cyberpunk office casual cyberpunk. For a casual yet stylish cyberpunk look, start with a graphic tee featuring a futuristic print. Then edgy cyberpunk. For an edgy vibe, opt for a mesh top layered over a bag bralette. Pair it with the high-waisted leather shorts and fishnet tights, and a tactical vest with multiple pockets and straps for a utilitarian touch. Finish the look with platform boots and tech-inspired jewelry like a choker and rings. Carry a metallic crossbody bag to keep your essentials. For a more glamorous look on cyberpunk fashion, choose a sleek black dress with cut-out details and metallic accents. Then sporty cyberpunk. Cyberpunk fashion inspiration is influenced by various sources including movies, video games, and music. Blade Runner, The Matrix, Cyberpunk 2077, K-pop fashion. These are all can help you with this. Cyberpunk fashion is all about expressing individuality, embracing futuristic aesthetics, and making bold statements by incorporating high-tech materials, dark and bold colors, and unique accessories. You can create stunning cyberpunk outfits that are both stylish and edgy. Thank you for joining us on this fashion journey. Bye for now.